Hey guys, Joshua Peterson with Peterson Electric this week. Want to give you a quick video on what to do. They asked us just to add a 2-gang box here. It doesn't work side by side with these 2-gang bell covers, whether you use an RV outlet or you use just a typical 2-gang. They want us to put in a simple Wi-Fi here extender. So we can't, of course, fit it side by side. So I just drilled the center of this, and then I used just a 632 self-tapper. And then I went ahead and used some square D blanks and just put just a tinge, a bit of caulking at the top just to hold those because they were pretty tight anyways. And then we'll just plug that straight in there. You do need to have a WRTR rated GFCI outlet according to newer code. This video was done in March of 2017. But that should give them what they need there dead center. As far as the cover flipped around, yeah, we could have extended it, but they're not going to open it, so we're not going to knock these out. And that should give them all of the sealing they should need for inside of this, and then when that kicks on, they'll be able to see the indicator light. Other than that, in order to get that cut on the inside, I just use a Dremel. Maybe that'll help you guys out, especially if you're doing an inside of a 2-gang 240 volt range plate plastic. You can use this too. It doesn't really work with breakable plates, but the non-breakable, it works really well from P&S, those kind of plates. But yeah, so just keep that in mind, guys. Just think outside of the box on that. You know, I can't honestly say that your inspectors would pass that, but I wouldn't see why not if that's blanking out the GFCI on both sides so nothing can get back there. Sometimes you just got to think outside that box. All right, guys, thanks for joining us.